Concentration of a solution. Concentration. The amount of solute present in a given amount of solution is called its concentration. The amount of solute present in a given amount of the solution is called its concentration. Expressed in several ways as follows. Concentration को हम different तरीके से represent कर सकते हैं. वो तरीके क्या क्या हैं? देखिए, मास बाय मास परसेंटेज, यानी सल्यूट और सॉल्वेंट दोनों सॉलिड हो. मास बाय वॉल्यूम, सल्यूट सॉलिड हो, सॉल्वेंट लिक्विड में हो. वॉल्यूम परसेंटेज, दैट इज वॉल्यूम बाय वॉल्यूम, यानी दोनों के दोनों लिक्विड में हो. समझ में आई बात? तो ये तीन तरीके होते हैं. मास परसेंटेज ऑफ ए सोल्यूशन, मास ऑफ सोल्यूशन, मास ऑफ सोल्यूशन. देखिए, मास ऑफ सल्यूट अपॉन मास ऑफ सोल्यूशन इंटू 100. चूँकि परसेंटेज यहाँ है इसलिए इंटू 100. ठीक है. सेम वे हियर, मास बाय वॉल्यूम परसेंटेज, मास ऑफ सल्यूट, वॉल्यूम ऑफ सोल्यूशन इंटू 100. वॉल्यूम परसेंटेज में क्या है? वॉल्यूम ऑफ सल्यूट अपॉन वॉल्यूम ऑफ सोल्यूशन इंटू 100. ये हुआ आपका क्या कहते हैं, तीनों जनरल फॉर्मूले. अब जैसे एक क्वेश्चन यहाँ आ रहा है, अ सोल्यूशन ऑफ ग्लूकोज हैज़ बीन प्रिपेयर्ड बाय डिजॉल्विंग 5 ग्राम ऑफ ग्लूकोज इन 95 ग्राम ऑफ वाटर. व्हाट इज द मास परसेंटेज ऑफ ग्लूकोज इन द सोल्यूशन? सी, 5 ग्राम ऑफ ग्लूकोज इज बीइंग डिजॉल्व्ड इन 95 ग्राम ऑफ वाटर. तो 5 ग्राम सोल्यूट है और सोल्यूशन क्या होगा? सोल्यूट प्लस सॉल्वेंट. Solution is always solute plus solvent. देखिए, mass of solute plus mass of solvent. तो here it will become 100 grams. 5 plus 95, 5 plus 95, 100 gram. तो mass percentage will be 5 upon 100, that into 100, that will be 5%. This is the mass percentage. Clear? Now some more questions on this one. You see here, a solution contains 5 ml of alcohol mixed with 95 ml of water. 5 same type of. Calculate the volume percentage. Here volume. So volume percentage means volume by volume. Here 5 ml, 95 ml. This is solvent. This is solute. Solution will become 100 ml. So volume of solute upon volume of solvent. Same question. Again, see, calculate the mass by volume percentage of a solution containing 5 gram of glucose in 200 ml of solution. Mass by volume. Mass of solute upon volume of solution, that is volume of solution is given already 200 ml. Here given solution. ठीक है. Calculate the mass by volume percentage of a solution containing 5 gram of glucose in 200 ml. It is solution containing 5 gram. Solution given है 200 ml solution given है, यानी volume of solution is given here. 5 gram of solute is present here. 5 gram of solute is given here. So 5 upon 200 into 100, that will simplify. We will get 2.5%. Calculate the mass of glucose and mass of water required to make 250 gram of 25% solution. See here, 25% solution it is given, यानी percentage is given. Mass percentage is given here. Clear? You have to calculate the mass of the glucose and mass of water required. Mass of glucose and mass of water required. Mass of solution is given 250 gram. Mass by mass percentage is given. Mass of solute and mass of solvent is to be calculated. You see this one, mass percentage is mass of solute upon mass of solution into 100. Percentage is given 25. Mass of solute, that is mass of glucose, mass of solution given 250 into 100. Here mass of glucose will become 85. Simply this one we are taking this side, this will move towards this side to 25 into 5. Here we have taken 25 into 5. This 2, this will come down. If it will go this side. This 5 into 25 upon 2. This will become 62.5. Mass of glucose comes to be 62.5 gram. Since mass of solution is mass of solute plus mass of water, solute we have calculated, glucose, solute 62.5, mass of water 250 gram solution is given, therefore 187.5 gram of water will be there.